Hey everybody, it's Earl, MGMClassicCars.com. Little red Corvette with a big heart. 1971 big block, 454 4-speed car. Engine's been gone through and redone. Original manifolds on there. Runs out real strong. Looks like at one point it was an air-conditioned car. All your belts and hoses look good. Electronic ignition, 454. Dual chrome bumper car. Stingray. Iconic. She moves out too. Look at that. Front bumper, good. Your lights are working correctly. Paint's in good shape. No real big chips and stuff in there. Your glass looks good. Yeah, it really has a nice shine on it. A lot of fun to drive. 4-speed car. So you're really in tune with that road. Great stance. Rally wheels, factory. Tires are in good shape. All your chrome on the bottom is good. Chrome mirrors fine. Never been in a fight. Gaps out the way it is. These are easy to tell if they've been ruined or anything like that. These back windows come out, which I love. It really gives you a good feeling when you're driving it. Little red Corvette. Rear bumper good. Lights are working. I'll fire it up in a minute. No paint flaws that I could see. But again, gaps out great. Bird cage on here is great. That's what you gotta look for on these. That's what we look for. Make sure you look and see for yourself. Really nice. Black interior seems to be original in good shape. Power window car with tilt steering. Door panels are good. Sorry, I can't show you any rust or fiberglass. 4-speed, clutch is good, because I drove it, I know. It's got an upgraded sound system in here. The car shows 95,500 miles on it and stuff like that, but engine's been totally gone through. And clutch is good. That used to be an air car. So you could always use those vents. All your gauges seem to be working correctly. The horn works. And tears, you know, for its age. All could be done, but it's there. This is a telescopic wheel. Parking brake is working. Let's give it a little bit more gas. Yeah, that sounds good. Big block. These things move, they're light. It's located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport, with over 250 cars as well in stock, with all our photos, description, and video, and pricing on our website, MGM Classic Cars. We've got 2 warehouses filled. We're open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday and Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We do offer financing with good credit up to 180 months, and we ship all over the United States of America. God bless America. American muscle. You get it opened or enclosed. Please call me with any questions on any of our cars, shipping quotes, or you could just text me. This one is available. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. You can reach me at 773-600-0919. T-tops are in great shape. They're sitting over here. I got a bunch of photos, like I said, at mgmclassiccars.com. Check them out. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's get this home to you. So give me a call. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.